Hi everyone, I just wanted to do this video for anyone who hasn't set up their profile yet on Nexudus, or if you had any questions about it. There's two ways you can get to your profile. So you can go to your name up here, click on it, and go to My Account, or you could also come over to Settings and then click on My Account here as well. And so it will go through all of these different categories. If you don't mind just scrolling through, it's easy enough to just fill out whatever you can. Your name, what you'd like to go by, your address if you'd like, your company website, your cell phone number and your work phone number so other therapists or referrals can get in touch with you. And then you can add a little bit of extra information in this area under professional profile. So you can write a little bio for yourself. You can also select some of these skills. These are very helpful if you practice any of these or are specialized in any of these. This area is for the directory. So another therapist eventually can go in and search ABFT, and anybody who has selected this box is going to show up. And then that would be good for, if people had questions or if they had referrals as well. So that's basically all that we need for your information for your profile. The other thing that the welcome email asks for is you to put in your billing information, so your ACH. And if you scroll down, you'll go to billing information, ACH payments, billing, and then ACH payments, and scroll all the way to the bottom under Stripe. Stripe is what we're using for all of our payments now, and unfortunately we can't transport the information from the existing Stripe account that we have into Nexudus, so we have everyone, redo it. But here it will ask for your bank account details. They will send you 2 small deposits that then you have to verify here, and then everything will be good to go and you're all set. Again, if you have any questions, always email me. Again, my email is elizalynporter@gmail.com. Thank you, guys.